soap. Now you have seen it. Where are people looking for small business? Tell me why you are seated at home crying for money. This is business. When you are serious and you are making this, distributing to neighbors. Have you seen? Hey, man, have you seen?
Hello, this is powerful, and it's for you. Before you scroll away, please listen to these hidden secrets about your health nobody is telling you.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make soup, especially for people that are having body odor. The children, the adults, anybody can make use of this. And we're going to make it with the leaf I have called, what is it called? Momordica foetida, that is the scientific name. But in Uganda, they call it embobo. Have you seen it? This leaf is very good. We use it for a lot of things, of course, not even only for body odor, but today I'm going to talk about body odor. Have you seen the way the leaf is? It climbs. Very common. Very, very common. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is it. Mbombo. Everything about it can be used the way you have seen it. Yes. So for making body odor soap, here we are. This is our base. This is our base. We call it soap base. Have you seen it? This is our base. So we get our soap base. You cut it. We're making body odor soap. I've told you, anybody that smells, you need soap. You need this particular soap. Yes, if you want it, you email or you contact us. We can even supply you. We can give you. So this is it. And this is what in the saucepan, already dissolved. Have you seen it? You don't cook it direct on fire. When you get your soap base, I always advise people you put it in hot water already boiling. So here now, this is the bombo already blended. Here I have this bombo. That is the main herb for the body odor. Then we put aloe vera here. That is what I have blended and deceived. Also, I added small moringa. In anything, I love moringa so much. I don't know why. So now here we go. Okay. Okay. The soap base is on fire. So when it boils, you off your fire and you start to put your ingredients. Yes, that is the bombo. I have put the bombo. Then I love coconut a lot. Coconut is a very good moisturizer. It moisturizes the skin, revitalizes your skin after you have used any kind of soap to shower. And it's very good when you are using this lebombo soap. A bombo soap. Yes. So have you seen? I'm putting here, that is what I'm dropping, the coconut. Yeah, it's a good essential oil. Then also I put my glycerin. This is glycerin. You drop some liquid pieces of glycerin. Glycerin is also a good moisturizer. All these things, you drop them small. You don't even need much, because this is very, very good. It moisturizes also the skin. And you know, amazing thing about this embombo, you can even use it for ringworm, for children that are having infection on the head. So when a child is growing, we all know that they develop body odor, especially because of the environmental, vocational, and medical conditions. You get it. So early puberty, from that age, 13 years thereabout, if you give that child this soap, the child will never suffer from body odor all the days of his life. The same thing with adults. Okay, the same thing with adults. So you need it. Hygiene, good clothing, make sure the child washes the clothes. Even the adult, there are some adults that rotate their clothes. Yes, they repeat, their clothes. You wear the same trouser today, you wear it the next day, you wear it, must smell. Yeah, so if you don't want to keep odor away from your body, you get it, you must have to take good care of your skin. Make sure you drink a lot of water, because when you are hydrated, the smell of your sweat you get it shows that you're not taking enough water. It will make the smell to be very bad. Yeah, it will make the smell to be very bad. Water is medicine of its own, so you take a lot of water to help the soap to work very, very well. And you watch what you consume. Any sulfur food like onions and the garlic, after eating them, you brush your mouth before you sleep, except you have taken them in the afternoon hours. That's okay, because as you drink water, the water runs in the system, it removes the sulfur through your skin. Okay, so that is it for the soap. Look at the one already made. Have you seen it? Yeah, this is already made. The yellow you are seeing there, the yellow you are seeing here is lemon. Yeah, we cut lemon in pieces and we put down. Okay, so I'm going to put this also in the mold. Let me bring my bag. So when you do, you turn it. You turn it. Okay, so you allow it to cool a bit. Have you seen it? You start to do what? To pour your mixture in your bowl. You have seen the kind of bowl I have, so I'm making use of the round one now. You fill it to the and but don't allow to pour. Yeah. That is it. That is just it. Have you seen the soap already in the mold? So when it cools down, it gives you the roundish shape. This one is oval. Have you seen? Yeah. And that is the pompo. Yeah, I left it. I just plucked some leaves and I placed it on top. That is it. This one is very, very ready to use. Very ready to use. Yeah, and you make sure you don't keep hairs under the armpit, because it smells anywhere there are hairs. Like you are done and the armpit, it brings smells, except you wash thoroughly. And washing thoroughly is washing with the bathing with the right soap. Bathing with the right soap. Bathing with the right soap. This soap is not harmful. It's not harmful at all, because this also can be consumed. Okay, moringa can be consumed, and aloe vera is also something we use for food also. So you can drink aloe vera, you can use aloe vera. So this particular soap, now you have seen it. Where are people looking for small business? Tell me why you are seated at home crying for money. This is business. When you are serious and you are making this, distributing to neighbors, they will start knocking at your door, disturbing you. So apart from that, we are teaching, edible things. We are also creating small business ventures. Okay? So introduce this, please. Have you seen? Oh my goodness. Have you seen? Hey, man. Have you seen? So look at it. So we're waiting for this. Just give us like 2 seconds. We come back to you. By then, this one must have congealed, must have formed a block like this. Thank you so much again for joining me. Remember how I taught you this. Please do it post. I want your response. Okay? If you are interested in learning other products, I have so many of them for the hair, for the face, for the body, for drinking. Talk about things, my dear. All right, I wish you the best. To people that matters. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. This was just a sample. We have much more to share with you. Please check out our channel, subscribe, and enjoy our weekly uploads featuring different natural health tips, home remedies, and healthy living advice for you and your family. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.